today we kicked off the Spring Explore Hackathon looking at how we can solve the challenge of monitoring and managing large groups of socially distancing individuals, which I think we all know is really relevant as we transition into this post-lockdown crazy world that we're living in. We had some really great discussions from companies in their networking sessions, just identifying the different challenges that are around this. So in the transport sector, looking at retail and looking at how local government might need these kinds of solutions. Some of these companies have even started to solve these solutions, so how they can work with the demand side on making sure these are relevant. Typically, there are the usual Zoom challenges with navigating the breakout rooms, but we all persevered, so everybody got to meet with at least 3 different organisations. These sessions will get the feedback from and create groups and teams that they can work in throughout the rest of the 2-week hackathon, so that when they deliver back on demo day, that's what they'll be doing. We're back for day 2 of the Spring Explore Hackathon. So today we looked at how companies from the startups and the corporates, how they start to communicate with each other better and the things that they need to have in mind when they're discussing proof of concepts and taking those forward, which is something quite unique to our hackathon. As a business-focused hackathon, we are actually partnering the large demand-side companies with the small supply-side companies to work on a solution together. Which is quite unique. Today, they started to look at their specific problems. So we have companies now looking at how they solve the issue of monitoring and managing large groups of socially distancing individuals on the high street, being really conscious that actually we want to encourage people to start shopping on the high street. So we need to make it as safe but easy as possible for them to continue to do so. And we've also got companies looking at the transport sector and how we manage how many people, for example, are getting on a bus, how many people are on the tube station, how we make sure they disperse themselves across the tube and take that burden away from the human at the moment who is trying to record how many people there are, and automate it so it keeps everybody safe and it tells them what they need to do to be so. So tomorrow we're going to be back. We're going to be delving into the technical. We're going to be looking at 5G and IoT and how that can support them in their solutions. And then we're going to be getting them to do their value proposition. So we'll keep you posted. Hope everybody's having a great day and staying safe, and speak tomorrow.
Hi, this is Will from Digital Catapult. I'm part of the Spring delivery team. We've had a fantastic day today. Lots has happened. So we kicked off the day with a technical presentation from Jaffa, our senior 5G technologist at Digital Catapult, where he kind of dived into the technicalities of 5G, what it's made up of, and the technologies that actually underpin 5G itself. So that was really interesting, and what the future roadmap holds. And that was followed by a presentation from Peter Carney, who's our Head of Product Innovation at Digital Catapult, but also an expert in telecommunications, where he talked to us about IoT, so Internet of Things, and low-power wide area networks. And what I found really interesting from that was the interplay and the interlink, and seeing that all of this technology is just part of a kind of broad spectrum of telecommunications. From there, we worked with our teams looking at kind of value propositions and how they can underpin their responses to the challenge around customer-centered design and the value proposition that underpins that. And tomorrow is a really exciting day. We've got the guys from True North coming in and delivering a user-centered design session, which focuses primarily on bringing together design thinking, behavioural economics, and a number of other really exciting things together to make our team's response for challenges compelling and exciting and relevant. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Today we had True North and David Clayton giving us an amazing coaching session on client-centric thinking. So it was really, really illuminating for some of the teams on how they shape their product around what the client actually really, really needs. So one of our teams is pivoting a little bit to make sure that their solution by the end of the 2 weeks is actually going to be something people want, rather than creating it based on the features, they're going to create it based on what the client is after. Stay pitched for day 5 of our session. So day 5 is going to be more around the technical side of things, so it's really exciting. So we're back for day 5 of our spring Explore Hackathon. So today the focus was really around the business model canvas and how our companies take their validated propositions and work out all of the aspects around that amazing tool for lean startup. So it should really help the companies in understanding everything that needs to go into creating a business. They then had one-to-ones with our epic coach at Wyra, a guy called Yuri Gonda, who helps companies in their business models and helping them get to market. So that was really awesome. And tomorrow is the weekend, so Monday we'll be back looking at planning a technical pilot. They're going to be learning exactly what they need to do around that and putting that into a plan with Digital Catapult's help. So look forward to seeing you, and we'll keep you updated then.
Hello, so day 6 of the spring hackathon. It's been a really good day. We've spent the day kind of taking it up a notch, I guess, from a technical point of view, and it's been all focused around how to create a technical pilot and what a technical pilot means, and really importantly what it doesn't mean. So we've looked to identify differences in language and methodology, and all get onto kind of a baseline as to what a pilot is, especially within a 5G concept. So from here we've thought about who our key users are, and how that kind of maps into user need and kind of how the technology can respond to that user need. And we've spent the afternoon kind of with our teams checking in with a product manager from Digital Catapult, Luca, who's done a lot of work previously around kind of IoT and scaling IoT products. So the team spent the morning in sessions learning about kind of about pilots and what pilots are. They then kind of canvassed out those pilots and then fed them back to Luca to provide comment on. So it's been a really busy but really productive session today, and looking forward to tomorrow.
So today was day 7 of the Spring Explore Hackathon, and it was day 2 of the David Clayton True North session around client-centric thinking, where he delved more into how you approach meetings with clients to get the information that you need out for them, and to share your solution in a way that means you are creating something together, which tends to work so much better. So it was really insightful, really great, and has helped the teams kind of focus in more on how they would sell this product to companies. So tomorrow will be day 8, where we're back for more of a look at the technical roadmap and what that includes, before having some one-to-ones with our amazing tech expert Peter Kearney. Stay tuned, we'll keep you updated.
Hey, I'm joining you for the end of day 8 of the Spring COVID Hack. Today it's all been about technical roadmaps. So we've had Will from Digital Catapult explaining to the team what the future for 5G holds and how that might translate into future steps for their products. And then we've had one-to-one coaching with Peter, also from Digital Catapult, so that the teams could really explore how to realise their concepts now, but also how they might test things going into the future and bringing 5G in. So they're in a really great position right now. They've got their ideas, they've got a view of what the technology might look like, how they might test it, and they're going to bring that all together in pitch practice that's happening tomorrow.
So today was day 9 of the Spring Hackathon, and today was really focused on the companies preparing their pitches ready for tomorrow when they will be delivering them at Demo Day. We had a great pitch coach who sat with them each for an hour and went through their pitches, made sure they were comfortable and happy and fully prepped for tomorrow. So I'm really excited to see what they deliver and see the questions that they get asked from our amazing panelists. I'll keep you posted.
Hello, my name's John Ollie from O2. I'm also one of our key sponsors looking after the Spring project working in collaboration with Deloitte, the Digital Catapult, Wira and WM5G. Today I've got the very lucky opportunity to come and talk to you about the ending of our first hackathon event that we had as part of Spring, which was just an event that was so full of energy, some fantastic ideas, and just really wanted to tell you a little bit about what happened. So on the final day, what we had is we had the organisations that have all been involved in the various different work streams to try and help find these really great innovative solutions utilising kind of technology and connectivity to help organisations manage social distancing as they move back to normal. So we had this a kind of two minute elevator pitch, really great levels of energy that came through that, and then helped them really with identifying exactly what they do next, who do they need to talk to, where do they take it. I'm really excited. I think we're going to see some great opportunities come out of the back of these. I think these organisations are going to go really far. So watch this space. I can't wait to see some more. Take care.